Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new product to share with you. It's our mini album cabinet with drawers, and it's the cutest little cabinet ever. It's just over 7 inches high, about 6.5 inches wide, and then 4 3/8 deep, and perfect to alter with those smaller 8x8 paper pads. So it comes flat packed, it's 3mm MDF. And once it's made up and stuck together, this is what it looks like. So I've decorated this one in the Kaleidoscope collection from Graphic 45, and you can see we've got fabulous rainbow coloured zebra. This paper pad is full of real fabulous quotes. So life is like a kaleidoscope. There, colour your world here with the elephants on the back. And then on the other side, oops, let's go all the way around. I've got the elephants on this side as well. And then all the little albums have gone peculiar. Let's just straighten them all out because they've got nothing in them. So let's take them out. And then we've got the really vibrant orange zebra print paper in the centre, and the lovely elephant border around the top, and then a kaleidoscope of colours for the drawers. So I've used the swirly papers for the drawers and the coordinating word papers to go inside. It really is a lovely little cabinet. And then I've added wooden buttons for the drawer pulls, and also wooden buttons for the feet on the bottom as well. And then the mini albums are really cute. There's 5 of them, and I really used offcuts of paper just to decorate the front of them. And then inside they're like mini scrapbooks, so there are no joins of pages, just perfect pages ready for you to stick whatever you want to put inside them. So great for those passport sized photos, and they're all decorated front and back. And then the little paper clips that I added here are from the Tim Holtz Thinlits die, one of the latest Thinlits dies, and I just thought they added a nice little accent without overdoing the front of each album. And then each of the albums has got one of the inspirational quotes on the front from the paper collection. So as I say, the 8x8 pad was just perfect for this little project. And then all the albums just pop back into the cabinet, and there it is. So the flat pack kit comes with a full assembly guide, which gives you cutting guides to cut out the chipboard pieces for your covers, and the pages, and how to make up the album as well. That's in a video. And then we do have a full kit available to go with the project. So the kit includes the flat packed cabinet, 2 rolls of our original signature black construction tape, 2 5-metre rolls, 8 wooden buttons, 1 8x8 kaleidoscope paper pad, 24 sheets of black card, and 4 sheets of chipboard to cut out your covers. So I'll put the links to the cabinet and the kit down below, as well as our signature black construction tape as well. We do ship worldwide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the project and feel inspired to get creative, especially with this new collection. And subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out. Thanks for watching.